Have you ever felt that you are missing information before the lesson even starts? In this video, I will detail 2 important keys that unlock the skill of ordering decimals so that you can progress to the next lesson with all information. When you completely understand the first key, this will guarantee that you will never be confused about a particular word or definition from this lesson. Firstly, going over the definition of a decimal. A decimal is a special fraction where the denominator is a power of 10, such as 10, 100, or 1,000. Looking at this diagram, what fraction of the shape is shaded? Yes, 9/10, which translates to the decimal 0.9. Both are equal, or in other words, the same. So when a decimal has 1 decimal place, this is a fraction out of 10, or in other words, tenths. For the next example, the whole amount is broken up into 100 equal parts. What fraction of the shape is shaded? Yes, 31 hundredths, which translates to the decimal 0.31. Highlighting when you have 2 decimal places, this is a fraction out of 100, or in other words, hundredths. Now, if we see a decimal with 3 decimal places, this is a fraction out of 1,000, or thousandths. The place value table illustrates and explains what each digit in a number represents. If we were given the following number, we read out each digit out slowly. 3 expresses how many hundreds there is. 2 says how many tens there are. 4 is how many ones, then the decimal point. 5 is the tenths column, and 6 is the hundredths column. Next, we need to understand what ascending and descending is. Ascending is arranging numbers from smallest to largest. Think of it like a rocket ascending to space. Descending is arranging numbers from largest to smallest. Think of a cable car descending down a mountain. If this video has been helpful, please hit the like button so it has a better chance to share to more people. The second key is going to showcase a visual demonstration of how to actually order decimals. Consider 4 animals that want to compete in a 50-meter race. We have a penguin, giraffe, duck, and chicken. Who do you think will win? They're about to start. 3, 2, 1, go. And the penguin wins. Now, if these were the times of each contestant, let's arrange them in ascending order, smallest to largest. Each decimal has different decimal places. So step 1 is to put each decimal in the same number of decimal places, adding zeros when needed. When you add zeros after the decimal point, this does not change the value of the number. Now each decimal is to 3 decimal places, which is thousandths. And step 2, check the whole numbers first. Since the penguin has the smallest whole number, this is the smallest. Now the others have the same whole number, but the value after the decimal point is different. So step 3, check and order the value after the decimal point. Since they are up to 3 decimal places, this makes it easier to compare. The giraffe is 80 thousandths, the chicken is 321 thousandths, and the duck is 900 thousandths. Rewriting in ascending order, we have 5.919, 6.080, 6.321, 6.900. You now know all the key information on this concept. However, can you solve all exam style questions? Watch this next video to master questions easily.